Hey everybody, hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Abby and I do makeup, skincare and hair care content, more on the affordable side. And if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. So today I will be doing I guess a part 2 to, or part 3 rather, to an old video I did featuring the Essence Lash Princess mascara. This is a new tube and I wanted to know whether or not it would basically make any difference when applying this mascara with their Volume Boost Lash Primer. This is their Essence Volume Boost Lash Primer. It is a white primer and it also contains acai oil and mango butter apparently. So again, my initial video was featuring these two just to see how this would work with this and if this would make any difference. So this particular mascara, again, you can watch the whole video, but this particular mascara is very thick and it gives you a lot of volume to your mascara, to your lashes rather. So I wanted to know, basically to ask the same question. So I wanted to ask the same question as to whether or not clear mascaras do anything. Clear mascaras are one of those things that you don't know you need until you try them, basically. And I didn't know they even existed until, I guess, maybe was it last year, maybe possibly, yeah, about last year. I didn't know they were a thing. And the one I'm actually going to feature today is the Wet n Wild Mega Clear Mascara, and I think it's meant to be a brow and lash mascara. So this is what it looks like. It's extremely affordable and it is, I think it contains 8 ml of product. The Lash Princess, again, it's affordable. This I believe was about maybe $3.99. If the price is wrong, I will correct myself on you know, when editing. This is about $3.99, $2.99 depending on where you get it from, and again, this is about the same. So this is a white lash primer and this is a clear lash mascara, but again, I want to use this as a primer to see if it, you know, does something, if it makes a difference to how this wears. So I've already done the initial video on this particular mascara. I will feature that so you can see how it applies on its own. So what I will do is to apply this, and I remember what I felt when I applied this particular mascara with the lash primer, because it felt like I had to build up a lot of this to cover this essentially. Yeah, so each to their own in terms of how they like to wear their lash primers, but I'm not a fan of thick clumpy lashes, and some people like that. I'm not a fan of that. So I will try this up close just to show you what it applies like, I guess. Okay, so we are up close and personal. So what I'm going to do is just apply the the Essence Volume Boost Lash Primer on this side. This is what the wand looks like, by the way. I haven't even shown you. So as you can see, a lot of product applies onto my lashes. And this is the Wet n Wild Brow and Lash Mascara. It is clear. This is what the wand looks like. I managed to get some on the corner of my eyes, but that's what it looks like compared to the lash primer. You can see it's definitely more obvious. So I think maybe this, if you really want to make your lashes a bit more obvious, just a tad bit more obvious, then this would be the thing to use. But if you definitely want more volume, you know, more volume to your lashes, this is what you would use. I'm gonna apply the Lash Princess mascara, and it has a conical shape to the applicator. I'm gonna apply the mascara to this side. So this is what my lashes look like with one application. On the tips of my lashes I can still see the white. So I'm just going to apply a second coat. And you really have to be careful with this mascara because it does give off a lot. I mean, it does give a lot of volume. The mascara formula is thick and moussey, and then you've got the conical shape as well, which I think helps pack on more product. So this is the finished product. And you can see there is some clumping, but there is a lot of volume, and my lashes are a lot more obvious than they were going into this whole application. I'm going to apply a new coat to this side. So this is one coat of this. I'm going to, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So that's one coat to my lower lash line. And I'm going to do another coat and one coat to the other lower lash line as well. Okay, so that's two coats at the top, one coat at the bottom with mascara everywhere. One coat at the top, one coat at the bottom. I'm going to do another coat just to level things up. So that is the second coat with the Wet n Wild. So this is the Wet n Wild, and this is the Volume Boost. So yeah, there we have it. In terms of what I prefer, I definitely say this side has a lot of volume to it, but it looks a bit more wispy, less clumpy. Whereas this side, like the tips of it are clumpy, especially where I've tried to cover the tips of my lashes that were white. I've tried to cover them and I feel like I have clumpy eyelash tips, if that makes sense. Whereas here it just seems like there's a lot more volume but not clumpy. Like this I would be fine with either on a normal day or on a day when I'm wearing a bit of eyeshadow. So I think the clear mascara definitely does something in terms of adding a little bit more definition. Yeah, but to be honest, without the lash primer, I think because of the formula of this particular mascara, you will probably still get this, but I feel like you are less likely to have a clumpy outcome by applying two coats of this without so with the Mega Clear, if that makes sense, you're less likely to have a clumpy application, because I feel like maybe this like gives your lashes some slip or something, so then this mascara applies a lot more smoothly. I think maybe that's the thinking behind it, I don't know. But in terms of everyday, I do like the idea of actually applying clear mascara just to like define your natural lashes. Yeah, I think I will definitely try this on a normal day just to see how it applies. And you can also use it as a brow mascara as well. I'm not sure if it would make your brows like long lasting. I'll have to see that in another video. But in terms of applying to my natural lashes, I will definitely try it just to see how it appears. But this is what it looks like. Okay, so there you have it. I think I will definitely retry the Lash Princess with the Mega Clear, the Wet n Wild Mega Clear clear mascara. It does give me the results. It does give me the results I want. I will still try the white lash primer, the Essence Volume Boost Lash Primer, with other like thinner consistency mascaras at some point. Maybe I'll come back featuring this for the last time, just to see how it, you know, how it works with thinner consistency, which I think might be what might be more suited, because I guess this is a volume boost mascara, then a volume boost primer. You're basically asking for trouble when you put the two together if you don't know ahead what they do, I guess. So yeah, these two are yes, these two are no for me, but this on its own is a yes. So it's a really good mascara. You definitely want to try it, and at $2.99 it doesn't break the bank, or $2.99 to $3.99 it doesn't break the bank at all. So it's definitely worth a try. Even if you don't like it, it's not a lot of money wasted. So yeah, there you have it. So that's it. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. I do a mixture of videos on my channel: beauty, skincare, hair care, product reviews, things like that, things like this. So if you like that, I hope you would consider subscribing. So until next time, have a great morning, afternoon, evening or night wherever you are, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.